Okay, holding the yarn in my left hand. I'm like way too close to it. So I put it under, I put my pinky to where it goes over it and then around on my hand. Trying to tighten it down some. So it's like this. And then I'm crocheting like this. So it's still like this. And then I'm crocheting like this. That way I can pull the thread through, the yarn through, and kind of tripping over a box here. I can pull the yarn through, and it's easy access for pulling through. And then most of the time, if there's a knot or something, I can feel it. But I'm holding my project with my left thumb and finger. So it's just draped over. Some people wrap it around to pull. I don't. You just have to do it the way you feel comfortable. So, yesterday I did the slip knot, which I'll show you again right here. Oops, my camera's on the screen. So right here I'll show you the slip knot. Maybe if my hands will work. So wrap around, cross over, go under, and pull through. Wrap around, cross over, go under, and pull through. And then you can just pull it apart. So here I am doing a chain stitch. And I don't even know like how many's on here. My door thing's falling over. So I'm just gonna come back to the first one, not the one on the hook, but the first one I can get into without undoing it. And I'm gonna put the hook through there, grab a hold of the yarn, pull through, wrap the yarn around the hook again, and pull through. This is a single crochet. So go through the chain stitch, grab the yarn, pull through. Wrap the yarn around to pull through again. So the first time you're pulling through one loop and you have 2 loops on the hook, and then you're pulling through 2. So go through, pull through 1, wrap around, pull through 2. Go through the chain stitch, wrap around, pull through 1, wrap around, pull through 2, or grab and pull through 2. So this stitch is a little hard for me since I had my strokes. I am using a bigger hook than I normally do for videos, and my billboard thing just fell down. I had like a little wall up. Now I can't get it. So go through, grab the yarn, pull through 1, go through, grab the yarn, pull through 1. This is the single crochet. Sorry, you had to pull more yarn out. Feel bad that my little wall thing fell down. So go through, grab yarn, pull through, and grab yarn and pull through 2. Go through the stitch, grab yarn, pull through 1, grab yarn, pull through 2. go through the stitch, grab yarn, pull through 1, grab yarn, pull through 2, go through the stitch, grab yarn, pull through 2. This is the single crochet. I'm going to try and do videos on all the different stitches that I know. There's some that with crochet you could learn more every day. There's many different projects that you can do. I like to do blankets in the winter because then it keeps me warm when they get big enough where I have to have them on my lap. And then I could sit and watch TV, visit with family as I crochet. So go through, pull through 1, grab yarn, pull through 2, go through the stitch, pull through, grab yarn, pull through 1, grab yarn, pull through 2, go through the stitch, grab 1, grab yarn, pull through 1, grab yarn, pull through 2, go through the stitch, pull through 1, pull through 2. Now I got my hair in there and I hate that. I lose a lot of hair, but it was yellow. The string's yellow and the hair was darker so I could see it, so I pulled it out. So go through the stitch, grab yarn, pull through 1, grab yarn, pull through 2, go through the stitch, grab yarn, pull through 1, grab yarn, pull through 2, go through the stitch, grab 1, and pull through 2. Go through the stitch, grab yarn, pull through 1, grab yarn, pull through 2. I'm trying to do, getting confused on my stitches there. This is a single crochet. So here we have the single crochet. So the next video, I will, I'll stop this video for now, and then I will show you another video. Thank you, and have a good day.